don't need actors, you don't need camera, you don't need a microphone, even you don't need to show your real face into the camera ever again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create insanely realistic UGC video ads using Google Flow and Google Omni model. And for that, you can use your own avatar, or you can create an AI influencer as well. You can use any product from Amazon, Flipkart, wherever, from your own drop shipping store, wherever it can be. And the best part, you can create cinematic visuals, camera angles, voiceover, all of that using the Google Flow and the Google Omni Flash model. The best part over here is that you can use it for any purpose that you like, be it product shot, be it AI generated influencer videos, or be it any style advertisement videos. So if you want to create your high converting UGC videos for your clients, for your affiliate marketing, for your product promotion, then this video is something that you should not skip. Welcome to this channel, and I'm your host Shayan with over 6+ years of experience in digital marketing and AI. Today, I'm here to show you exactly how you can use the Google Flow and Google Omni Flash model to create everything using the power of AI. The best part over here is that you don't need to buy any expensive camera. There is no retake required, no fancy editing required. All of this will be done right in front of your eyes, and I'm going to show you everything from the scratch. So don't skip any part of it. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel, because in this very channel, you get this kind of informative video that can actually help you grow online. Without further ado, let's jump over to my laptop and let's start. Hey, welcome to this tutorial, and as you can see, I'm within the Google Flow dashboard over here, right? And what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to promote this product, that is Sony ZV-1, right? And I want to create a UGC video for it, as I had promised. So for that, what we need to do, first of all, we just need to come over here and copy this link, right? You can see over here, I've copied the link of the product. Now, once copied, I would just go over to ChatGPT, and in ChatGPT, I'm giving a prompt like I'm creating UGC videos using my own AI avatar and Google Omni Video Agent. I'm creating UGC ads for Sony ZV-1 digital camera, which is, in my opinion, one of the best camera for content creator. And in here, I've given the address, right? Then I'm saying I want to create a 30-second long UGC ad, right? Create 3 clips, each of 10 seconds in length, as Omni supports 10-second video clips. Each prompt should have visuals, voiceover, product display, and the UGC ad should talk about the features, benefits, use cases, and also add CTA that the user should comment Sony so that I'll send the link to the DM. So that's a way of doing affiliate marketing, right? So in response, ChatGPT has given me these clips, right? You can see this is the first clip. So what I need to do now is that I just need to come over here. I need to copy this. Just click on copy, come over to Flow. And in here, all I need to do is click on new project. Now, as soon as I do so, you would see this kind of dashboard opens up. So what you need to do over here is that you need to paste this prompt. I've done that, right? And in here, click on this plus. And in here, you need to select your avatar. Just click on add to prompt. Now, if you don't know how to create your own avatar, you can watch this video right now on the I button, or you can actually check out the link in the description as well to watch out that video. So you can continue watching this, and after watching, you can watch this video as well. Okay, once done, click on add to prompt, and boom, you can see it has been added. Now, to use this avatar, we just need to use @me tag, right? So in here, wherever you see this avatar, show avatar, instead of that, you need to write @me, as you can see over here. Then it would understand that you are talking about the avatar, right? So let me quickly make the changes wherever there is avatar. So there you go, and there is the voiceover, and there is the text overlay. Right now, you can go ahead and change this as well. There is the CTA. If you want to make changes, you can do that as well. That's up to you. Now, what you want to do over here is that you need to come over here, and since you are doing a UGC video, most probably it will be on Instagram or something like that. So you need to make it a vertical video, right? Now, by default, it's vertical selected, but in case if it was horizontal, we need to make it vertical. Make sure you create only one variation, because if you are creating multiple variation, the more credits will be used up. If you have the credits, go for it. Don't worry. Then on this, you need to select Omni Flash, because Omni Flash supports this thing. And then I'm selecting 10-second video because I've given a 10-second long prompt. Now, once all of this is done, I'll just hit on enter. And let's wait for the results. So as you can see, it has created this. So let's actually go ahead and play this.
Why does my content still look cheap? If you're serious about content creation, this camera is insane for the price. Sony ZV-1 gives you cinematic 4K videos, crazy autofocus, buttery background.
So you can see that it's quite awesome, right? The whole thing over here is the accuracy of the avatar, walking in different places, and it actually sticks to whatever we have said. So let's go ahead and as you remember, we had created 3 clips. So let's actually go ahead and use the second one. Now here is the second one. This is perfect for creator lifestyle kind of ads. So let's copy this again. And this time I'm going to show you how to easily do this, right? So for that, we'll click on this plus sign and this will add a clip, as you can see. So you can just click on add clip and then you can click on add to scene. So if you see this, another scene has been added, right? So this was our first scene and this time we are going to select the second scene just like this by clicking on this, right? This is selected. Now on this describe your edits, I'm just going to paste the second prompt. Now remember, this time we don't need to use that @me or something like that because we are doing a continuation of the scene. If I would have done it in a different way, then I needed to do those adjustments again, right? So that's an advantage of using the same scene. Now, once we have done this, I'm just going to let it go. I'll just click on this enter and boom, as you can see, the scene is being recreated. So let's wait a little. So the second clip has been created, as you can see over here. So let's go ahead and play this.
This camera was literally made for creators. The flip screen, built-in mic, eye autofocus, and stabilization make your videos look professional instantly. Perfect for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Why does my content still look cheap?
You can see this, right? This is mesmerizing, I must say. Now, these are the 2 scenes that I have created. Now, we want to create a third scene because we had 3, right? So I'm going to click on this plus and then I'm going to click on add clip and then I'm going to click on add to scene. Now, as you can see, the clip is being added. So now we are going to again select the clip. Just make sure that you select it. And then again, we are going to go over to ChatGPT and then we are going to copy the third prompt. Now, once we have done that, we'll come back over here and on the edits, I will actually go ahead and give the prompt. So let's do that. Now, once this is done, I'm going to hit on enter again and boom, let AI do its thing for me. So let's wait. So now, as you can see, the third clip has been created as well. So let's go ahead and play this.
Want us pro videos without expensive gear? This is probably the best camera for content creators on a budget. Compact, lightweight, incredible low light performance, amazing stabilization, and insane autent look premium instant.
So you can see that, right? The 3 clips looks amazing. Now, if there is some changes that you want, you can go ahead and describe your edits in here and it can do that as well. Now, there's a detailed tutorial of that. If you want to check out, you can do that over here. But overall, what I wanted to show you is how easy it is to create this kind of UGC ad videos with your own avatar with any product that you wish to. You don't need any expensive stuff. So you don't need any camera, any voiceover, any script. All of that would be handled by the AI. So I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this little tutorial. I'm also going to cover you up with one more variation of it. Say suppose I don't want to create my own avatar, right? There are people who are not that friendly in camera, so they might not want their own avatar to be seen. So in those cases, you have an alternative. You can use a virtual influencer and you can use any product that you want to promote. So let me show you that as well. Now, once this video is done, you can also download this anytime that you want to. It will export your scene, and once all of this thing is done, you can click on done and boom, your total project would be saved, right? You can actually get hold of this from any time from under your all media. That being said, to create the new thing, we just need to go back. Now, in here, what we can do is that we can come over to new project, and in here, we are going to generate image, as you can see over here. Then we are going to use the Nano Banana Pro, which is the best model as far as image generation is concerned, and I'm going to create 4 different models. I'm going to create a vertical model because I'm going to do UGC ads, right? In here, I'm going to tell Nano Banana to create an Indian model, a female model, and I would actually wear her some dress, right? So let me do that. So I've given it a prompt like to create an Indian female model. So it's creating 4 versions of it. So let's wait. So you can see over here, these looks quite natural. And these are the kind of virtual influencers that you see on the internet, right? So if I go over here, you can see this looks quite amazing, right? Now you can download it at any resolution that you want to, right? And once this is done, we can just click on this plus and you can see these models are available. Now this is my avatar that I had created. So this would be available by default. So I'm now going to use this avatar over here. So I'm just clicking on that and you can see she has been added, right? Now in here, I'm going to click on the plus and I'm going to add the product that I want to display. So let's do that. So I'm going to click on upload media and then I'm going to select the dress. And as you can see, the dress has been added. So now I'm going to click on add to prompt. And as you can see, the both the things, that is the influencer and the dress, both have been added to the prompt. Now we are going to give it the prompt, right? So I'm going to give the prompt over here. Now for the prompt generation, again, you can use ChatGPT, right? I'm not showing that all the way again because I've already shown that how to do that. Now what is important is that I have told it to use the provided reference character exactly, which is the influencer. And then I have also told it to use the uploaded reference dress as the model dress for product demonstration, right? So this is the important part that you should mention. Apart from this, I've given the scene description, I've given the action sequence, and I've also given the camera movement, the expression, and the voiceover, right? Once all of this is done, I'll select this over here and and this time we will go for video, right? We'll change it to video, and then again the vertical video, and we are going to create one variation of it just for an example. I can also make this video length shorter as well if I want to. Say for example, I want to create a 6-second video or a 8-second video just for an example. You can do anything that you want to, and once you are happy with it, you can just click on go, and as you can see, it is being created. So let's wait and look at this, right? Let's play this and let's play it again.
Okay, this dress honestly looks way more expensive than it actually is. The moment I wore this anarkali set,
So you can see that right now it is an 8-second video. That's why the voiceover is up to 8 seconds. If it was a 10-second, I could have done that, right? And I've already shown you how to elongate the scenes. You can just click on this plus and then add clip, and then you can use the same thing like a continuation of a scene. You can do that, right? If you have a specific voiceover, you can do it for any second long that you want to. But the essence is that you can actually go ahead and design your own virtual influencer, and you can make them boast any product on this earth that you want to, right? Be it dress, be it hat, be it sunglass, be it any apparels, be it coffee, be it anything on world, you can do that, right? So this essentially removes any kind of barriers, because you don't need to find yourself on the camera. You don't need to add your own avatar, but still you can actually promote anything and everything with the help of these lively avatars. All of that created using Google Flow and the Google Omni Flash model. I really hope that you have found this tutorial exciting. If you have, and if you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribing to this channel, because I think if you don't subscribe, you are going to miss out on the upcoming videos just like this that can be very informative for you as well. And also please share this with your friends so that they also come to know the power that AI has. So we'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and keep growing online, keep learning AI, and keep prospering. Signing off is Shayan. Take care. Bye-bye.